What do you think? I deserve it? We have a weird situation here. Hey guys, welcome back. So it's a Friday and I'm just doing a couple of hours of overtime because we have a lot of work. So that's that. Kabir just woke up, so Jeet is with him. So actually we take turns to do things because we both are working, so not possible for one person to do everything. Little update about me. Life is really tough. It's always been tough, but you know, pregnancy is not helping because I'm not getting proper sleep at night. You can either, you can sleep on your other side. You're not supposed to sleep on your back, and of course stomach, which is tough, and then peeing for at least not less than 4 to 5 times. And once I'm up, it really takes me a couple of hours to fall back to sleep. So that's tough. And I have very early shift at 7 o'clock, so to get up before that. So the only thing through which I'm surviving is coffee, and that too I cannot have more than 2 small cups of coffee. So that's that. Now while Jeet is getting Kabir dressed, I'm gonna make ourselves some breakfast, just me and Kabir, because Jeet is not a breakfast person. So let's make some breakfast.
Should have, like, I trust him because he shouldn't take long. Yeah, just let me know.
So my work is done for the day. Now it's time to tackle this, not this, but this mess. And haven't actually made my bed, so doesn't matter actually. Sometimes I do it afternoon, sometimes I don't do it. So let's clean this mess. Not this one, well, this one too, but this mess. So couldn't be happier after a long, working week. And this week we both were working overtime. One thing good about this country is that even if you work 15 minutes extra, you're gonna get paid for that. So
Not all, but yes.
Not all?
Province is 40 hours a week. Government is anything over your regular.
Oh, so I started my work with employment with government company, so I thought it's up for everyone, but yeah, good to know that. But it's good that, he's been around, so has been good. He's been a good boy, very cooperative. I mean, he will roam around, play here and there. Sometimes, he wants attention too, but otherwise he's good. So we are on our way to Service Canada. because I actually avoid going there. I tried, you know, resolving whatever issues or whatever questions I have through a call, but apparently people are not much aware of anything, even if they are working there. But I think the lady was new, right?
Possibly.
Yeah, because something else is written on their website, but the lady was actually saying something, so it's all actually out of bed. So we thought of, you know, going there and talking to some experienced person so I can plan my maternity leave before and actually plan for that, you know, because it's actually, you know, getting uncomfortable sitting for long hours. So I'll see how soon I can take that. Are you sleepy? So we can plan everything and also plan, if you know, plan for my parents' arrival. We'll have to see, we'll have to, you know, plan many things. So yeah, we're just going there, and this one had his lunch, so that's a big relief. Why are you eating my bag strap? He's sleepy.
I think he's missing his taxi.
Yeah, he's actually sleepy. Go home and sleep, okay?
Thank you so much. Have a great day. You too, thanks.
Cheers.
Less ice.
It's good. We have a weird situation here. Why didn't you take your nap? Why? The nation wants to know. Kabir. Apparently, Jeet went inside to, you know, put him down for his nap, and now he's here running around. Jeet is taking a nap. I was waiting here so we can have our lunch together, but he's here, the one who was supposed to take a nap, and the one who just went inside so that he can put him down in his crib. He's taking a nap, and a pregnant working woman is not. Actually, I don't want to. So once he's up, we'll have our lunch and we'll go out. Can Mama have a kiss? So Jeet is finally up at 4 o'clock and we're gonna have our lunch. So we have...
What do you mean up?
It was Kabir who was supposed to take a nap. But anyways.
Why didn't you take a nap?
Yeah, Kabir disturbed him, so he came back. Vegetable khichdi, some pickle. We have papad, and you know, this is something we always do whenever we eat khichdi. Papad is a must. Curd. And this is Jeet's plate, so I don't eat curd. And we have some aloo fry. I mean aloo curry, dry aloo. So this is our yummy lunch. Second time in the car. We are going to a place which is like how many kilometers? 1 hour away from our city, and that particular city has a very good Indian restaurant, and we are craving to eat something Indian. Actually, I'm craving, and Jeet always craves to eat bahar ka food. So after doing like 1 week of overtime and compressed shift, so like how many, 12 hours, yeah, extra shift, we deserve it, right? What do you think?
I didn't do that much though.
So I deserve.
But I always deserve.
Yeah. So what do you think? I deserve it?
Yes, always. You're pregnant, obviously.
Other than that, I did overtime. So we are just treating ourselves, and we don't, as I mentioned one of the vlogs, that we don't eat out much, so that's why. And whenever it's eating out, you know, we never ever decide on anything other than Indian. So hopefully we have our hopes high. So let's see. Yeah, so I have biscuits for Kabir and some dates for myself.
My Red Bull.
Your Red Bull is here, and for Mr. Driver we have Red Bull. Do you love Mama? Yes. Can Mama get a kiss? Thank you. In the afternoon, I asked you, you didn't give me a kiss. I finally got my kiss. Yay! Kabir, yay! I see I see you. Peekaboo. Kaboo peekaboo. I see you. Where are you? You like it? Hello? Hello? What happened, Dada? Hey, careful. 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 Kaboo, where are you? There you are. So this is what we got. We have plain naan and butter naan. Plain naan for me. And we have jeera rice. I'm not sure if you can see that clearly, but and this is chicken curry, and I specially asked them to make it spicy and not sweet at all, and to have some gravy. Looks good. Let's hope that it tastes good too. You excited? Are you excited? Doesn't care. That's not switched on, Kabir. Come back. Daddy, can you call Kabir?
Come. Kaboo, let's eat. Come.
Kaboo, bye. I'm going. Bye-bye. Bye. There you are. Kabir, what are you doing there? Kabir, what are you doing there? Come back. Come back. Kabir, come back. Will you come back, please? Careful. Careful. This is car?
Hey, stop biting me.
This is what happens actually. Kabir is at a stage where he just wants to bite anything and everything, and it's our duty to save ourselves because he just bites. He will bite and smile. So we are trying to, restrict as much as we can. Sometimes he will listen to us, sometimes he won't.
Come sit.
So
Come.
that's the thing. Come
Come
here.
sit.
So thank you so much guys for watching today's vlog. I hope you guys liked it, and we're gonna see you guys very soon in our next one. Bye guys. Bye, Kabir. Good job. Bye guys.